Hello people, so today we'll talk about the currency format on a Google Sheet application on a mobile phone and the way how we can get it without manual way. So here, if you work with the number and the currencies involved within it, it will be an inefficient way if you do it manually, such as adding the dollar symbols on the beginning of the number, and then you just type the number of it. It will not gonna efficient, and it will also takes time, and the format will not gonna number, but it will be a text. So whenever you do it mathematically, you will never able to count these cells. So instead of doing this, you can just type the number that you want to add here for the currency or the amount. Or let's say here I want to have a $45, like $50, and then $70 here. Just keep it this way. And if you want to have a dollars currency on it, you just need to block the cells here, and then you just need to go click this alphabet right here, and then just visit this cell section, and then you just need to like scrolling down until you found number format. Go click it, and now you just need to like scrolling down again until you found currency. Click it, and then if you want to have another currency, go click more currency formats, and you just need to find which type of currency that you want to add. Let's say here, as I said, I would like to have dollar for the US dollars, so you just need to find the US dollar format right in the below area here. Just go click it, and the format is already numbered. So whenever you do it mathematically, such as some formula, it will be summarized on it, or it will be like calculated easily, because the format of the text is already in a number format. So basically that is the way how to work with currency in a Google Sheet application on your mobile phone. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and let's meet again on the next tutorial.